Peggy 18.
Dr. Maxis.
This ain't funny, Doc.
Turn around. Slowly.
Do you know who I am?
Yeah, we know. That's why you better do exactly what we say. A great evil approaches. There is a chain of events that must be set in motion.
The future hangs by a thread. You must awaken the test subjects.
Richtofen! Whatever you're thinking of doing, don't do it!
You do not want to meet what's on the other side of that door!
You cannot begin to comprehend the great evil you could unleash!
Damn it, Richtofen! I thought we were done with this!
What can I say, Dempsey? Things change.
Only a fool would dare to change history!
I am no fool. What I do only to secure a better tomorrow.
Yeah? Well, let's see if we live to see it.